welcome to Financeable. On this new video on how you can log in into Tesco Finance accounts. If you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser. In the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type Tesco Finance login in the search bar and press enter. And when the search results are gone, you just have to scroll down a little bit, and when you see signing into your account, you just have to click on that and the sign in portal will be open right in front of you. So firstly, if you don't have an account, in the top right side there is register for an account. Just click on that and follow the instruction provided to you by Tesco, and you will be able to log in or register successfully. After that, you will be redirected to the login portal that we are currently in. So firstly, you need to enter the email address. After email address, you just need to enter your password, and if you have forgotten your password, just click on the I have forgotten my password, and they will help you to reset your password. And the password that you have newly created, enter that in the password box, and when you have filled all the details, you just have to click in the sign in button that is on the bottom left corner, and when you have clicked it, then you will be able to sign in successfully into Tesco Finance account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.